easy to tell VitalSigns exactly which kinds of alerts you want to subscribe to and which ones you don't. To define alerting, just go into the configurator, alert settings. The first tab is where you turn alerts on and off and specify the server name and credentials to use to route the alerts. The next tab is called Hours and Destinations, and basically what you do here is add all the possible places where alerts could go and what times they should go. So let me add a new one just as an example. So let's say I want to send this email to roadrunner@acme.com. And I want that to go out during business hours, and that's to go out through email. So now I have a new possible destination here for the roadrunner@acme.com. Now I come into the notification definitions. This is where you specify specific servers and alert types that you want to be notified for. So let me click Add here. I give it a name, Demo Alerts, and I want these alerts to go to the Roadrunner, and they can always also go to Alan on the weekends. And I come down here. I don't want to escalate those anywhere, and I want to select a couple of event types that I care about, and then finally specify the servers for which I would be interested in hearing those alerts. And hit save. Now you have a new alert definition, and anytime any one of the selected servers gets one of the alert types that was selected, the notifications will go out to the selected destinations, and only during the hours which were defined when you defined the hours and destinations over here. That's it. Nothing to it.